In a world where language shapes our interactions, linguistic policies serve as silent architects of society. From promoting diversity to fostering unity, these policies weave a tapestry of culture and communication. Each nation crafts a unique linguistic blueprint, painting a canvas of history and progress. Through deliberate choices, these policies guide us in education, governance, and beyond, shaping our understanding and connection with others. Delving into the intricacies of language regulation, we uncover a world where words wield power beyond mere communication. The linguistic policy goals vary depending on the socio-linguistic context, historical factors, and societal needs. Linguistic policies are designed to achieve specific objectives, such as promoting linguistic diversity, preserving cultural heritage, facilitating effective communication, ensuring equal access to education and public services, promoting social integration, and more. The goals of linguistic policy differ from one country to another, and may include decisions to improve communication and effective interactions, which can lead to social changes. Linguistic policies aim to define the domains of language use, such as the use of the official language in state institutions, language use in media, business and communication with foreigners, education, and more.
Language planning plays a pivotal role in the development, maintenance, and revitalization of languages, underpinning comprehensive language policies that foster linguistic diversity, cultural heritage, and social integration. Conversely, language planning and policy can be employed to promote or suppress specific linguistic features or varieties, potentially reflecting or reinforcing particular political ideologies. Language planning decisions and policy actions can have profound social, cultural, and political implications, impacting language rights, language status, language education, and language use in various spheres of society. The study of language planning encompasses its diverse contexts, including official institutions, education, media, and beyond. Comprehensive and participatory language planning processes are essential to address the needs of diverse linguistic communities. By carefully considering the unique circumstances and aspirations of each language group, language planning can empower individuals and communities to preserve their linguistic heritage while contributing to a more inclusive and equitable society. So, language planning is crucial for safeguarding linguistic diversity and promoting inclusive language policy.